Hey guys, Duane here. I got this little multi-survival tool on eBay. Walmart sells these for about $4. Coghlan brand, I believe. This is a no brand from China. I got it for 97 cents. I'm pretty happy with that. It's got a compass. And it does point north, but it's kind of finicky. It's not a great compass, but it works. On this side we have thermometer in Fahrenheit and Celsius, and the line of mercury is so small it is hard to read, but it works as well. Also have a whistle. Not going to blow it really loud because Mia is sleeping. Also, it's got, if you push in one side, you can pull out on the other side. Not easy to do, but aha! Magnifying glass. It's really, really sunny today, so I'm going to go outside and see if I can start a fire with this. I really don't think so. When I was younger, I experimented a lot with magnifying glasses. And the small plastic ones, I determined are pretty much worthless, but let's give it a try. Maybe they're better nowadays. All right, let's go outside. Here we go. This is a pile of dry grass. These are shavings from the stick. Here's a little feather stick. And you can see how bright the sun is. Here's the little magnifying glass. So, let's see. I got nothing, and I'm out of patience. So there you go. Kind of a neat little tool, and maybe if you had plenty of time, maybe. But yeah, I would say save your money. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.